Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss the textbook exercise questions from the chapter Trigonometry. This is exercise 3.1, question number 3. The question given is, a wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. Through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? It's given that the wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. Therefore, we can write the statement as number of revolutions in 1 minute equal to how many? It is given as 360. So we'll write equal to 360. Now we know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Therefore, we can find the number of revolutions in 1 second. Number of revolutions in 1 second is equal to, so to find the number of revolutions in 1 second, we'll divide this number by 60. 360 divided by 60. 0, 0 cancel. 36 by 6 means that's equal to 6. Therefore, we got the number of revolutions in 1 second. That is 6. Now the question is, through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? That is, we need to find out the angle made by the wheel in 1 second. So let's write the angle made by the wheel in 1 revolution is equal to total angle formed is equal to 360 degree, or we can write it as 2 pi radian, because in the question we need to express the answer in radian. So we will write it as 2 pi radian. Therefore, angle made by the wheel in 6 revolutions is equal to, in 1 revolution it is 2 pi, therefore in 6 revolution it is equal to 2 pi into 6, that's equal to 12 pi. So 12 pi is the answer. Question number 4. Find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of a circle of radius 100 cm by an arc of length 22 cm. So it is given radius is equal to 100 cm. So we can write radius r is equal to 100 cm. Now given arc length is 22 cm, that is L is equal to 22 cm. Now the question is to find out the angle subtended at the center, that is theta, and theta we need to represent in degree measure. Now just draw a circle with the center, mark the center here and draw the radius. The radius is given as 100 cm, r equal to 100 cm. Now we can mark the angle formed here. So this is the angle formed, mark here theta, and this is the arc length L, and it is given the arc length is equal to 22 cm. According to the picture, this will be the angle subtended at the center, but this theta or the angle will be in radian measure. But the question here is to find out the angle measurement in terms of degree measure. Okay. To find theta, we have the equation theta is equal to L by R, where L represents the arc length and R is the radius. Always remember that when we use this equation, this theta will be in radian measure. That is equal to, substitute the given values here. L is equal to 22 cm. So 22 divided by 100. That is 22 by 100 radians. Now convert this radian measure to degree measure by multiplying by 180 by pi. That's equal to 180 by pi into 22 by 100. That's equal to, simplify here, we can use pi as 22 by 7. 180 divided by 22 by 7 will goes to numerator into 7 into 22 by 100. Now cancel the common terms. 22 get cancelled. Now 0 get cancelled. 10 divided by 2 means it is 5. 18 by 2 means it is 9. So 9 sevens are 63 by 5. Now this is a fraction, 63 by 5 degree. And now we got the answer in degree measure, but this answer is in terms of fraction. So we'll convert this fraction in terms of a mixed fraction, and we'll write in terms of degree and minutes. So divide this 63 by 5 and find the quotient and the remainder. That is, we will get 12 as a quotient and 3 as a remainder. That's equal to 12 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is again a fraction, so 12 degree and 3 by 5 degree. This 3 by 5 degree is less than 1 degree, so we'll convert this degree to minute by multiplying it by 60. That is 3 into 60 by 5 minutes. Now this is in minutes. Here we can simplify and reduce. That is 60 divided by 5 means it is 12, and 12 3s are 36, so it is 12 degree and 36 minute. Therefore the angle is 12 degree 36 minute.